How to view your loan or mortgage balance on US Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to view your loan or mortgage balance online using the US Bank website. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside the web browser, just click on the search bar and simply search for US Bank. And now here, once you search for it on the search result page, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the US Bank. Now here, once you see the interface like this, just click on the login button shown in the top right corner of the screen and after that, simply enter your personal ID and passport to log in to your account. And there, once logged in on your main dashboard, it will show you all your loan and mortgage account under the account section. So there you just have to click on the account name to open the full details and here you will see your current loan and mortgage balance, interest rate, payment due date, and recent activity. You can also scroll down to see your payment history or click on statements to download the past records. And if you'd like, you can also set email alerts, download e-statements, or view your full amortization schedule from the option listed on the page. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.